Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll look at some hidden features in WhatsApp application that you may not have known or used before. There are many interesting features of the WhatsApp application that you can take advantage of when using this application. So these features can be very beneficial and also quite useful for you. Okay, now let's just see what are all the features. For the first feature that you can use in the WhatsApp application that you may have never known before is that you can record voice notes and listen before you send them to contacts or other groups. So when you press and hold the microphone icon to send a voice note, the voice recording will be sent immediately when you release the button. The recorded message will be sent immediately and you won't be able to hear the result first. And if you send a separate recording sound from another application, the sending format will look different and also cannot be played directly on the recipient. So to make sure you can first check the results of the recorded sound that you want to send in a format like this, the trick is that you can press and hold the microphone button and swipe up to lock the recording, and while recording is in progress you can return to the home screen by pressing home button or swipe up for those of you who use the full navigation gesture. Then you can reopen the WhatsApp application. Well, here now the recording will stop immediately and you can listen to the recording first. So you can first evaluate the recording before deciding to send it to your personal chat or group chat. Then the second feature that you may not have known before is that when you click the voice note sent from a friend or another chat, when you play a recording sent from your friend, the sound will usually play directly on the speaker. However, when you bring the earpiece close to your ear, the recorded sound will immediately move to earpiece and no longer be played on the speaker. This is an automated feature in the WhatsApp application. Then the third feature, you can also activate the fingerprint unlock feature to open the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. For the phones that still don't support application lock using fingerprints in their default settings, such as in the Samsung phone series, you can use fingerprint unlock for WhatsApp application. So every time you open the WhatsApp application, you have to unlock it with a fingerprint first. For those of you whose phone are often borrowed by friends or another people, you can activate this feature so that your chat can't be read by someone else. To activate this feature, you can open the WhatsApp application, then select option in the three dots icon in the upper right corner, then enter the settings menu, then in this settings select account, then select privacy, and here you can find the settings or feature called fingerprint lock. Here you just have to activate unlock with fingerprint. Then you will be asked to unlock with fingerprint for verification. Here there are several options for the WhatsApp lock feature. You can activate immediately to lock the WhatsApp application directly when you exit the application. Or you can also lock it after 1 minute after exiting the application or after 30 minutes exiting the WhatsApp application. For the default here, let's choose after 1 minute. Then in the settings below, you can also disable this option if you don't want notification or new messages that come in to be read by others. Then the fourth settings that you can activate is two-step verification for further security. To make your WhatsApp account more secure and not be easily hijacked, you can activate this feature to activate the two-step verification feature. You can activate this security feature in the settings menu, then select the account menu, then here select the two-step verification. In this two-step verification menu, all you have to do is enable the feature below security option. Then here you just need to register a PIN which will be asked when you open WhatsApp application later when you register a new phone in WhatsApp. You have to enter this PIN again. So your WhatsApp account will be safer because it is not easy to register on another phone. Here you can enter your PIN twice and you can also enter your email. Later you can secure your WhatsApp account via this email to reset the password. Then you just press the save button and now the two-step verification has been enabled on your WhatsApp account. So by activating this feature when your WhatsApp account is logged in or activated on another phone, you'll have to enter this PIN again. So your WhatsApp account will certainly be safer by activating this feature and not easily misused by other parties. Then the fifth feature, you can also hide chat on WhatsApp by clicking the archive button. For example, there is a chat that you want to delete, you can just archive the message by pressing this down arrow button on the above right corner. Then for the sixth feature, you can change the notification sound for certain people or groups only. You can go directly for the options in the contact or group in which you want to change the notification sound. Then click on the contact name and select custom notification. In the custom notification menu, you check use custom notification, and here you can directly select a ringtone for a particular contact. So for each contact and group, you can differentiate the sound of their notification or ringtone. Then for the 7th tip, you can chat to a WhatsApp number without having to save the number. Sometimes when you are buying something or you want to contact someone online, sometimes there are moments when you want to chat with someone on WhatsApp just for a while or for temporary purpose. For example, when we want to buy things online through a certain seller through the WhatsApp application, we don't want to save the number maybe because we only need it for one purchase only. So in this way, you can directly contact the seller without the need to save the seller's number on your phone. The trick is that you can take advantage of the feature of this click to chat application on the Play Store. This application is a small application that does not take up a lot of memory. The application is also free and you can directly download it from the Google Play Store. You just have to type click to chats on Google Play Store, then install and open the application. Well, here you just have to select the region for Indonesian region, for example. Here you can directly select the region number and enter the phone number. Then you can directly chat directly to the number without the need to save the number to your smartphone contact. You can just click open and you can directly chat to the number. This is certainly quite useful for those of you who often chat with the WhatsApp application with certain people, but you only need to chat one time without the need to save the number. Then the 8th feature, you can send a URL to access WhatsApp chat with certain messages in an automatic format. So you can create a URL with a certain format, which later when clicked it will immediately send a customized message with any text that you want. There are several ways to make this URL format through the website. If you are on the phone, you can take advantage of this click to chat feature that we downloaded earlier. You can open the application, enter the mobile phone number according to the region, then click on the bottom right button, and here you just enter the message that you want to create for the link. For example, we create an example message like this and then click the share button. Then click share again at the bottom right, then a URL like this will immediately appear, which you can directly share to your friends or to your social media. So you can directly share to your social media, for example like this, and when someone clicks on the link, it will go directly to your chat. And there will be a written format that is directly written like this. So you can type the text according to whatever you want. Later, when people click on the URL that you've just created earlier, they will be able to enter the message directly without retyping it. Then the next tips, you can backup your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive so that can be directly accessed when you log in from different smartphones. For example, when you move your phone, you can use the backup feature to Google Drive to move all chats, data, photos, and videos. To activate the automatic backup feature via Google Drive, you can go directly to the WhatsApp settings. Then in the WhatsApp settings, select Chats and select Chat Backup. Here you can directly select one of the Google Drive account that you want to backup to WhatsApp chat. After selecting the account, later you can only backup Google Drive automatically. Here you can set the backup to be processed automatically every day, every week, or every month, or if you only want to backup when you press the backup button. Here for example, let's just choose daily, and for backup you can choose over Wi-Fi only. So your WhatsApp chats will only be backed up automatically every day if you connect to Wi-Fi on your smartphone. Then the 10th feature, you can add a friend's contact by scanning the QR code on your smartphone. To share the QR code with your friends so that they can directly add their WhatsApp contact, you can directly enter the settings from this top right corner, then select the settings menu, and here just click the QR code icon. So you can directly share your QR code so that it can be directly scanned and add contacts to the smartphone directly. Then the 11th feature, you can also hide last seen. So for the last seen feature in the WhatsApp application, you can deactivate it so that it cannot be seen by others. So other contacts can't see when was the last time you logged in on WhatsApp. However, if you activate this feature, you also cannot see last seen of other contacts. So you can't know when was the last time your friends logged in on WhatsApp as well. To activate this last seen feature, you can go directly to option on the top right corner. Then select settings, then select account, privacy, and last seen menu. Here you can choose nobody so that no one can see your last seen status, or when was the last time you logged in on your WhatsApp. You can also choose profile photos, about, and status on this section. Then the 12th tip, you can also mark important chats in your WhatsApp chats. For example, there is an important chat that you want to mark. You can merely press and hold the message, then click the star icon at the top. Later on the message, there will be a star icon like this, which indicates that the message already put into start or the bookmark option. To see all the messages that you have bookmarked or which we have started earlier, we can select the option in the three dots icon in the upper right corner, then select Start Messages. Here you can merely find messages that you have marked with star earlier. You can mark all messages from various contacts with a star, and later we'll go directly to the Start message. Then the next feature, you can also hide the red sign or double text icon in the account privacy settings. In the WhatsApp account settings, choose this three dots icon, then select settings, then select account and privacy. Here you can disable the red receipt feature. If you disable this feature, you also can't get a double tick indicator, and you can't tell if your message has been received or read by the recipient. Then the 14th tip, you can also chat directly in groups or in personal message with ITALIC, bold or STRIKEHOLD font. For bold fonts, you can add an asterisk at the beginning of the word, and the words will immediately be bold like this. And for italics, you can use an underscore and end it with an underscore. For STRIKEHOLD, you just add a character like this at the beginning and also at the end. So later on, your text can be bolded, italicized, or crossed out like this. Then the 15th tip, you can share photos on WhatsApp stories with better resolution. If you often share photos on WhatsApp stories and sometimes the resolution is low and the text are not very visible, you can first send the photo to one of the contacts so that the photo is compressed automatically by WhatsApp compression. Because the compression system in WhatsApp chat is sometimes a little more better than uploading directly on WhatsApp story. Then you just open the photo that you sent earlier, then share it again to the WhatsApp story. And sometimes with these tips, the photos can be a little better than uploading directly from the WhatsApp story. Then the 16th tip, you can send high quality photos or with maximum resolution on WhatsApp by sending them via file attachment. So if you send photos manually like this, the photos will be compressed and reduced by the WhatsApp compression algorithm. And sometimes the resolution of the photos will be low and quite noticeable. So if you want to send photos with the highest resolution, you can send them via file attachment in this WhatsApp application. You can select the attachment, then select the document, then select browse other docs, then select the photo that you want to send. Then press the send button, and now the photo will be sent via attachment. And photos received on other smartphone will be exactly the same quality as from the sender smartphone. There is no compression and quality loss if you send it via file attachment. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and also subscribe to get a notification when there is a new video from this channel. For those who want further discussion, you can directly write in the comment section down below, or you can also ask in the Telegram group, or you can directly DM us on our Instagram account @Entertainment. I hope you get some value out of this video. See you on the next one.